I am here with another Dollar Tree store hack, and we are today making skulls in a jar of slime. So lots of fun here today. It's really easy. Everything here I got from the Dollar Tree store, or you can get from the Dollar Tree store. So this is the craft jar that I used, and I just peeled off the label, which was very easy to do. I got a 3-pack of white LED candles, the battery operated ones. I got a package of 8 skulls. I poked a hole in the top of the head of the skulls that I used. I got a package of Hawaiian Punch Berry Blue and Sun-Kissed Pineapple because I needed the blue and the yellow because I had no green food coloring, and we know that if you combine blue with yellow you get green. And a bendy straw because I needed to poke it into the hole, into the top of the head. So what I did was I poked it into the top of the head and then put the skulls in, because what I want to do is get them full of the green water so that they stay sunk. And you really can't see the green straws. And then I put the water in and see how they pop up. And I'm just going to position them so that you can see their faces. And then I am going to take a piece of plastic. So what I did was I got a sandwich bag and I cut it into a square, because what I want to do is put the candle inside, and I am going to pop the cap over it and then turn the cap so that the light is inside and it's turned on. And then I'm just going to cut around the excess plastic so that you can't see it. And then you can just take it out of the jar. You can unscrew the jar and turn the light off when you want. And easy peasy, there you go. There's your skulls in a jar. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel if you'd like, and when I have more hacks I will pop up on your YouTube follow list. Have a great day. Bye. Happy Halloween.